Hello, yeah, before we start our video, I just wanted to warn you regarding flashing lights because, yeah, this could trigger epilepsy. And yeah, you should be warned. Flashing lights will occur, but yeah, if you're scared of them, just skip this video. It is kind of self-explaining if you already know how to plot bars and yeah, watched my last videos. You will probably know how to animate bars. I will give you just a few examples in this video. But yeah, if you won't be triggered by such things, I wish you wish you is the wrong word. I hope you enjoy the video and yeah, see you. Hello, ho ho, and yeah, welcome back to Python, welcome back to Matplotlib. And yeah, today we wanna again animate something. We want to animate bars in Matplotlib. So yeah, and for that, let's first create our bar. First of all, let's import numpy as np and let's import matplotlib as plt. I mean matplotlib.pyplot. And yeah, plt.bar. First of all, we get our labels like A, B, C for our bar. Then we have our values like 1, 3, 4, and we have our width, so how wide the bars are. And with plt.show we already have our bar chart. Let's try it. And yeah, of course, without the brackets. Yeah, here we go. Pretty simple. And yeah, it's too big. Let me put on the right side. Here we can see our bars. Yeah, pretty easy, but we wanna animate them. So yeah, how can we do that? Let's create something really simple I created before. First of all, we need our while true loop. While true. We don't need plt.show because we are using our function plt.pause. This one 10 milliseconds, and yeah, won't do much in this case. So let's name our bar like bar equals plt.bar, and yes, bar point remove, because but let's remove our bar after the pause. So bar point remove. Okay, but based on the fact that there won't happen anything, let's dim point random. Yeah, with import random. Can also use numpy point random, but yeah, depends on you what you favor. I guess numpy should be faster because it's based on C code. But nonetheless, this should work for our little experiment. So let's start it. Yeah, here we go. Oh, really flashy, but yeah. Let's increase the size. Let's close it. And yeah, let's do it in a slightly smaller way that's not so flashy. Yeah, we kind of animated it. We animated the width, and the color is also changing because we didn't choose a specific color. Now what we can do next, we can choose also our values can be chosen by random point rand int 0.10, between 0 and 10. Oh no, let's say between 0 and 30, and 0 and 30. Now if we wanted, yeah, you can make useful stuff with Matplotlib, but you can also do things like me, like always playing with stuff. But yeah, for that, why should we do that? We can kind of update our bar charts depending on an MPI, depending on information that is given in a certain order or in a certain time, on certain timestamps, so we can update our little pie chart, our bar plot. You probably know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, next step. Can even go further. Let's do 1 second and do something like var1, which means values 1 equals a for a in, let's import a string. Or was it string? Yeah, it was string. For a in string point ASCII letters, and 1 equals random point rand int, say 1 to 30 again, for a in range var1, length of var1. Of course, this has to be value 2. Now we can simply say value 1, and yeah, the have, I don't really know how to pronounce it. And I missed something. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Okay, let's try. I wonder what will happen. Yeah. As I expected, kind of have randomly chosen graphs. Okay. What else can we do? Of course, we can vary our, the length of our or how many bars we want to plot. We can also choose this by random if random point rand int zero 1. Now the bars are, the length of the bars are chosen randomly. The letters are chosen randomly. But once plotted, he won't delete anything. Okay. What we also can do, let me first explain what I did here, because I coded much but didn't explain much. So yeah, we have value 1. We have, first of all, we have to use our values, which represent the labels. You can see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and stuff like that. And because of that, we used list comprehensions and said A for A in string point ASCII letters, or ASCII letters, it means if a random integer 0, 1. So yeah, an integer is always true if he is not 0, and he is always false if he is 0. I don't know if the numbers are negative if he is also false, but yeah, integer 1 is always true and integer 0 is always false. So I just decided that yeah, the string should only be added to our labels if random randint is equals 1. So he's generating an integer between 0 and 1, and he has a chance that it will be added is 50-50. And then we create our values of each bar, which is between 0 and 30. It is for a in range a length of value 1, because yeah, we want only as much values as much as we have our possible labels. And yeah, then we are plotting our bars with random width, and then we pause 1 second, and yeah, after that we remove. Maybe you are asking yourself what will happen if we remove them. He will just kind of overwrite them, as you can see here. Because yeah, many plots do have the same label, so he is adding them to the same label. So last but not least, we want to create kind of a label that, or a bar plot that updates itself every time, but which won't delete the last ones. So for example, we have 2 bars, then we add a third bar, which will be added on the right. Then another one will be added on the 4th place, and yeah, it will get smaller each time, or the width, this one here will get smaller each time. Yeah, you probably know what I'm talking about. So let's do it really simple. Let's say our first label is 1, a equals 0, and let's do our first value equals f a. And yeah, now we can also use our values operator like this. But let me think, I guess this is not possible if we are formatting strings. Wrong direction. No, I guess this won't work because we are formatting something. But yeah, let's do it the simple way. Let's just say format A. A will get added by 1. This will also be a random integer, like always. And we are using for 1. Yeah, let me look what happens now. Yeah, you can see it now. It will update itself. And yeah, that's why you can use Animate, because you can update your own chart, your own plot, your own bar, like this. Yeah, this will now does its thing endlessly. It's kind of, we are in an infinite loop, so he will randomly add simple charts, simple bars in that case. Yes. But yeah, with that in mind, I'm finished for today. I hope you had learned something, had fun watching this video, and see you in the next video. Wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. And yeah, bye bye. Anything else I wanted to say? Oh, 1 second. You probably see it better if I do it like this. That you don't need to zoom in. Okay, he's already, I don't know which number he already has. Okay, Bye bye.